Hello everybody, myself V. Narayana Babu, lecturer in mathematics, GSI PU College, Mysore. In the last session, we have discussed about problems on algebra of matrices. Today also, we shall continue the problems on algebra of matrices. So next problem, if A equals 0, 6, 7 minus 6, 0, 8, 7 minus 8, 0. B equals 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 2, 1, 2, 0. C equals 2 minus 2, 3. Calculate AC, BC, A plus B into C. Also, verify that A plus B into C will be equal to AC plus BC. So let us solve this problem. Let us consider A plus B. So A matrix is 0, 6, 7, minus 6, 0, 8, 7 minus 8, 0, plus B matrix 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 2, 1, 2, 0. So we add the corresponding elements. So 0 plus 0, 6 plus 1, 7 plus 1, minus 6 plus 1, 0 plus 0, 8 plus 2, 7 plus 1, minus 8 plus 2, 0 plus 0. That will be equal to 0 plus 0, 0, 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 1, 8, minus 6 plus 1 is minus 5, 0 plus 0 is 0, 8 plus 2 is 10, 7 plus 1 is 8, minus 8 plus 2 is minus 6, 0, 0 plus 0 is 0. That is A plus B. Next we shall consider A plus B into C. A plus B into C. So A plus B into C. So A plus B is 0, 7, 8, minus 5, 0, 10, 8, minus 6, 0 into C. So C matrix is 2, minus 2, 3. As usual, the product of these two matrices is nothing but row into column. So here A plus B matrix is of order 3 into 3 and C matrix will be of the order 3 cross 1. So the product matrix A plus B into C will be of the order 3 into 1. That means it has 3 rows and 1 column. The product matrix will be 3 rows and 1 column. That will be equal to So first row into first column, 0 into 2, 0, plus 7 into minus 2, minus 14, plus 8 into 3, 24. Next element will be second row into first column, that is minus 5 into 2, minus 10, plus 0 into minus 2, 0, plus 10 into 3, 30. Next element will be third row into first column, 8 into 2, 16, plus minus 6 into minus 2 is 12, plus 0 into 3, 0. So this will be equal to minus 14 plus 24 is 10. Minus 10 plus 30 is 20. 16 plus 12 is 28. So this is A plus B into C. We call this as equation 1. So next we shall find AC and next BC. After that we add AC plus BC. So consider A into C, that is A matrix is 0, 6, 7, minus 6, 0, 8, 7, minus 8, 0 into C. C matrix is 2, minus 2, 3. Row into column, that is A matrix will be of the order 3 into 3 and C matrix will be of the order 3 into 1. So AC matrix will be of the order 3 into 1. That means AC matrix has 3 rows and 1 column. So AC is equal to 0 into 2, 0, plus 6 into minus 2, minus 12, plus 7 into 3, 21. Next, second row into column, minus 6 into 2, minus 12, plus 0 into minus 2, 0, plus 8 into 3, 24. Next will be third row into first column. 7 2s are 14 plus minus 8 into minus 2 is 16 plus 0 into 3, 0. So AC will be equal to minus 12 plus 21 is 9, minus 12 plus 24 is 12, 14 plus 16 is 30. Next we shall find BC. So B matrix is 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 2, 1, 2, 0. B matrix, and matrix C will be 2, minus 2, 3. row into column. So B matrix will be of the order 3 into 3. C matrix will be of the order 3 into 1 and BC matrix will be of the order 3 into 1. So that means BC matrix will have 3 rows and 1 column. First row into first column. So 0 into 2, 0 plus 1 into minus 2, minus 2 plus 1 into 3, 3. Next is second row into this column. 1 into 2, 2 plus 0 into minus 2, 0 plus 2 into 3, 6. Next element will be third row into the column. 1 into 2, 2 plus 2 into minus 2, minus 4 plus 0 into 3, 0. So BC matrix will be minus 2 plus 3, 1, 6 plus 2, 8, 2 minus 4 will be minus 2. Next, let us consider the sum of AC and BC. Consider AC plus BC. So AC matrix is 9, 12, 30 plus BC matrix is 1, 8 minus 2. That will be equal to 9 plus 1, 12 plus 8, 12 plus 8, 30 minus 2. So that will be equal to 9 plus 1, 10, 12 plus 8, 20, 30 minus 2 is 28. Let us call this as equation 2. From 1 and 2, we have A plus B into C will be equal to AC plus BC. That completes this problem. Next, we shall pass on to the next problem. If A equals 3 minus 2, 4 minus 2 and I equals 1, 0, 0, 1. Find K. So that A square equals K into A minus 2I. So let us find the solution of this problem. Here they are given the matrix A and identity matrix is also given, and we have to find the value of K, so that A square will be equal to K into A minus 2I. For that purpose, first let us find A square. So we know that A square is equal to A into A. So that will be equal to, the matrix A is 3 minus 2, 4 minus 2. into 3 minus 2, 4 minus 2. So it is as usual, the product of matrices is, the rule is row into column. That will be equal to first row into first column. 3 3s are 9 plus minus 2 into 4 minus 8. Next element is first row into second column. First row into second column. 3 into minus 2 minus 6 plus minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4. Next element will be second row into first column. 4 3s are 12 plus minus 2 into 4 minus 8. Next element will be second row into second column. 4 into minus 2 minus 8 plus minus 2 into minus 2 is 4. So that will be equal to 9 minus 8, 1, minus 6 plus 4 minus 2, 12 minus 8, 4, minus 8 plus 4 is minus 4. That is a square. Next we shall consider the given condition. So the given condition is a square is equal to ka minus 2i. Given a square is equal to ka minus 2i. So a square is 1 minus 2, 4 minus 4. That will be equal to K into A. A matrix is the given matrix. 3 minus 2, 4 minus 2 minus 2 into identity matrix 1, 0, 0, 1. So 1 minus 2, 4 minus 4 is equal to, we multiply K to the each element of this matrix. So it is 3K minus 2K, 4K minus 2K minus, we multiply 2 to the entire matrix. So 2 ones are 2, 2 into 0, 0, 2 into 0, 0, 2 into 1, 2. So it is 1 minus 2, 4 minus 4. That will be equal to, so we take the difference of corresponding elements. 3K minus 2 minus 2K minus 0, 4K minus 0 minus 2K minus 2. So 1 minus 2, 4 minus 4. That will be equal to 3K minus 2 minus 2K, 4K minus 2K minus 2. So from equality of matrices, from equality of matrices, from equality of matrices, 1 will be equal to, so 1 will be equal to 3K minus 2. So 1 plus 2 will be equal to 3K. So 3 is equal to 3K. So K is equal to 3 by 3. So K will be equal to 1. So that completes this problem. So okay, thank you.